In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the battery on an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now let's get right into it. We need to take out the two pentalobe screws. With my heat plate set at 90 degrees Celsius, I'll place my phone on the heat plate for about 1 minute. After about 1 minute, okay, so next you can use a suction cup to lift it up. As you can see, it's already lifted up. We just want to create a gap. We'll get our guitar pick and just go in. Make sure we don't go super deep. Stay in between and it's almost out.
Then gently wiggle upward from the bottom until the top releases on its own.
Next, we want to take out the two shields, holding down the battery's flex cables and the flex cables connected to the screen. Right away, I want to disconnect the battery and take out the flex cables holding the screen. Now the screen is out. I'll grab some rubbing alcohol. As you can see, there are a couple of adhesive tapes used to hold down the battery. I'll use rubbing alcohol and heat to soften the adhesive. Apply some alcohol to the top, making sure it flows along the adhesive strips. I'll just hold it up for a little while, making sure it's flowing down. And I'll do the same thing on the bottom. And I'll put it back on the heat plate. Let's give it a couple seconds, maybe about 30 seconds. So after about 30 seconds, I'll grab my plastic spudger. And from the sides, I'll pick out the battery. Make sure I'm wiggling gently. If it feels difficult, apply some more alcohol. Mine's coming out already, you can see. Now you can see the battery's out. With my metal tweezer, I'll take out the leftover tape. Now it's time to install the replacement battery. I like to use double-sided tape to hold the battery down. So I'll put one right here on the bottom right, piece on the bottom left, and a piece on the top. Now I'll peel it off. To properly align the battery, I like to connect it first. Then once it's connected, I'll press it down gently. Once it feels firm, I'll disconnect the battery. And now I'll connect the screen to test. I'll turn on the phone. Okay, it turns on, which is always a good sign. Now we can see the phone works.
All the tools and parts are linked in the description below. If you want to keep going with repairs, this next video is the one to watch. It covers the exact tools you need so you're not guessing or wasting money on the wrong kit.